Spread it close and spread it wide, spread it round the countryside, spread the love.
Passing through San Francisco.
All right, campsite number 2. We are at a music venue in Northern California. I don't know the name of it. They can't have concerts here this summer, so they turned it into camping grounds.
2 for 2 on altercations at campsites. This one, like, we had to park in the middle of the road because the campsite is not level at all. And it's on our last trip. I didn't want to go up any hills because I knew we'd get stuck. And we left enough room for people to get by, but somebody in a van came by and was like, "Can you move?"
We did pull over to the side. There was enough room to get by. Like, honestly, I would not have hesitated in a van. I wouldn't have hesitated in an RV. I would have pulled up a little bit. You don't know what was
inside that van, though. It might have just been all glass chandeliers.
Like, it was so weird. But so we're getting good at this.
We're getting good at being bad at this.
I mean, you can see, here we are, and our rig is way back there. And there's like 2 other campers here right now, so they're pretty far away. Pretty cool.
Not again!
What are you doing? You're making a what?
Umbrella.
So that you can make shade for Maggie and Daddy?
Yeah.
Where'd you learn this? Did Daddy teach you this?
Yeah, you teach me this. You teach me why I do.
Wild Great and Prepared Shelter, apparently, for AJ and Maggie. I found a cool destination nearby.
Where are we headed, Jenny?
Glass Beach.
What is that?
A beach made of glass.
When I was a kid, we used to collect sea glass all the time because it was like the most interesting thing you could find on a beach. And I didn't even know there was a beach that was just sea glass.
What'd you find?
It's all glass. Pretty cool. Meanwhile, I got to tend to this rock climber. That was so cool, getting to see all that glass on that beach. I've never seen anything like that.
I thought it was cool.
Taylor saw it was cool.
Yeah.
What about you, Gray? Do you think it was cool? Yeah.
Yeah, because all that glass I loved. I loved some glass.
Awesome. What about you, Maggie? Did you love it? Yeah, that's awesome. Cool. Well, then I'm glad we made this special trip here.
Look, there's a dinosaur right here.
Dinosaur roar!
No, it's not real. Just a painting. Everybody calm down.
Look at this train.
A train.
Max, look.
A train on the road.
Look, there's some over there, old beach broken down train.
So powerful about impacts. I'm so excited to drive in these trees.
I love driving through these trees. They're so tall and beautiful. So many animals and creatures live in the redwood trees. What kind of animals do you think live there?
Horse, pig.
Horses and pigs?
Take my hand and I'll be your guide. I'll take you places that you'd never find. I know something about a state of mind. I've got the dreamer in
side of a tree. Oh gosh, we're so close.
So take a breath and make the moment last. You'll never know if you never ask.
All right, leaving the Pacific Ocean. We are going to be leaving California very soon.
Yeah, and we were just driving by, and we're right at Humboldt Lagoon, and there's water on both sides of this road, and
Gorgeous.
just the side, and the sun is setting, and it's just beautiful. And it's going to turn inland pretty soon, and bittersweet to be leaving the Pacific Ocean, and don't know when the next time we'll see it again.
Yeah.
Here we are in Eureka, California!
Yay!
Eureka! I spy with my little eye
That one's kind of way.
something green.
I was doing something red.
But you forgot to say the same.
No.
Is it this bush?
It is!
Ah, you're so good at this game!
After the stop in Eureka, we had already been on the road for like 4 hours, and we just couldn't go any further.
So we're going into an RV park. We do not have a reservation. Just hopeful that they might let us stay here tonight. Let's see what happens. Never done this before, so don't know if this is generally frowned upon or the way it's supposed to happen. That actually ended up working out incredible. She was like, yeah, we have one spot right by the river. Is that good for you? And I was like, yeah, that's good for me.
Mom, here.
Thank you.
Eat it. Mom, eat it.
Okay, okay.
Jenny ate that berry that we thought was a blackberry on that day, and things were never quite the same after that. I mean, I'm kidding, but who just eats random berries on the side of a river?
This is my favorite thing that happens. Just found a fire. I don't have to make it.
This is us hustling to get out of here. Checkout was 11. They extended it to 12 for us. And now someone is waiting because we're late again. Look at this. Someone's waiting.
It's the Welcome to California sign. We are on the other side of it now.
And that's a wrap in California for now.
Let's talk about what happens next. We find a river, hitch myself to a wagon, reunite with Maggie's favorite person, find out Oregon is very, very pretty. Hope you subscribe so you can come along with us.